Alrighty, we are making some of these chicken liners. They look like logs, but they are chicken tenders. I definitely put a lot of stuff on it. I seasoned it really good, and I put baking flour and a lot of a little salt, a little pepper, cayenne, a lot of, well, good stuff. We're gonna use the air fryer today. Okay. Alrighty, I preheated it for effective results. I'm gonna put them separately so that they turn out very good, as I imagine them to be. Let's go. Put as many as possible. Voila. Let's go. At 400, it's already going because I preheated it. How are we doing? How are we doing? I don't have my favorite tool, so we're gonna improvise. Yeah, we're gonna find it. Got it. They don't look like I should change them. They look a little more wet, so we're gonna wait again. They are all fired up. I put barbecue sauce on it. Aren't they lovely? Look at that. Ooh. If we dry them some more, we will have it. It's almost there. Yep. These are tenders, I think. Chicken tenders. Yep. This is the sauce. I did the individual style, just to make it a little cleaner. Voila. Somebody told me less is more, and less we do. I'll put them back and then we see how it goes. Back on, and voila. Okay, those look good. They look ready to put them in here. Oh, that's hot. Put them in here. Voila. Make yourself tenders. Look at that. Ha 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 ha. I'm using the barbecue sauce. to give them a little sweetness, because you don't want them to be too dry. Just the right amount of dry. Upside down, upside down. Ha! Pippi? Praises road. Look at that. We need more fire. Sounds like it. More fire, more fire. Fire them up. If they don't dry like this, they ain't ready. The drier, the better. Oh, those are falling apart. Have you eaten tenders that are dry? Saying they are ready. And ready, I think they look like honey barbecue. But they're actually barbecue. Sounds good to me. Sticky, sweet, hot, peppery, lemony. Everything nice. Absolutely made perfecto. Look at that. Bon appetit. You know I'm gonna check it out. Alrighty, this is what we made. It is ready and it is, well, soft, tender and yummy. Bon appetit. This is hot. Let's try again. Voila.